Welcome to the slop farm. Enjoy the video.
You begin by powering the modem off and connecting the Nest router to it via Ethernet. This gives the router the modem's WAN address so your network can talk to the internet. Once done, plug in the router and wait for its LED to pulse white. You should open the Google Home app and sign into your Google account. The app discovers devices automatically. Make sure Bluetooth and location are enabled on your phone so discovery and initial setup complete smoothly. You'll add each Wi-Fi point after the router is online. The app prompts to scan the QR code on the bottom of a point, so provisioning is secure and quick. Once the point joins, place it where signal is weakest but still gets a strong connection from the router, then repeat for the third device. Make sure to name each unit by room and set a single SSID and password so devices roam seamlessly. Also enable automatic updates so firmware stays current without manual steps. You finish by running the mesh and speed tests in Google Home so you verify backhaul quality and overall coverage. This shows whether you need to reposition a point. If a point fails to join, restart the modem and Nest device, move the point closer to the router, or perform a factory reset. These steps clear build problems and reinitialize provisioning. Make sure you save your SSID and password, enable guest network if needed, and note the one key troubleshooting tip.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.